You think you know SEO? Most people miss these crucial keyword, backlink, and content optimization secrets. Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of search engine optimization, or SEO. Don't worry, I know it might sound complicated, but I promise you it's not. In fact, understanding the basics of SEO can greatly improve your online presence and help your website rank higher on search engines. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about keywords. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. They are the words or phrases that users type into a search engine when looking for something. Choosing the right keywords for your website is crucial because it helps search engines understand what your content is about and who it is relevant to. So, when choosing keywords, think about what your target audience is searching for and make sure to include them in your content. Now, let's move on to backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your website. They act as a vote of confidence for your content. The more backlinks you have from reputable and relevant websites, the more authoritative your website appears to search engines. This can greatly improve your website's ranking. So, make sure to focus on creating high-quality content that other websites would want to link to. Lastly, let's talk about content optimization. This refers to the process of improving your website's content in order to make it more relevant and appealing to both users and search engines. This includes using your keywords strategically, having a user-friendly website design, and providing valuable and informative content. Remember, search engines prioritize websites that provide a great user experience. So, always aim to create quality content that will keep users engaged and coming back for more. And there you have it, the basics of SEO, keywords, backlinks, and content optimization. By understanding and implementing these three elements, you can greatly improve your website's ranking on search engines. So, start incorporating these strategies into your online presence and watch your website soar to the top. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence. See you in the next video.